Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up life insurance comparison using Policygenius, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the Policygenius website. On the home page, locate the life insurance section. Click on the Get Started button to begin the process. Select the type of life insurance you're interested in, such as term or whole life. Input your age, gender, and smoking status in the provided fields. Enter any relevant health information as prompted. Specify your coverage amount and the term length you desire. Provide your contact information, including your email and phone number. Review the summary of your insurance needs based on the information you provided. Click on the See Your Quotes button to generate comparisons. Browse through the list of insurance quotes that appear. Compare the premiums, coverage amounts, and policy features side by side. Make notes on the policies that catch your interest for further review. Select a policy for more detailed information. Review the terms and conditions of the selected policy carefully. If you have questions, utilize the chat feature or call the Policygenius team for assistance. Once you're ready, click on the Apply Now button for your chosen policy. Fill out the required application forms accurately. Submit any additional documents requested during the application process. After submission, wait for the insurance company to review your application. Once approved, review your policy documents carefully before finalizing. Congratulations, you are now set up with a life insurance comparison using Policygenius. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.